and welcome back to Sudarshan CADD channel. So in this session we are going to discuss some different features of the Blender such as the add menu in the edit menu. So when we are going to learn the add menu in the edit mode. So just let's get started. So now presently you can see I don't have any object of the default cube in the side because I had deleted it. So firstly I want to show you how to delete the different things. So again, just so this is our default cube here. If you want to delete this cube, just select the cube and press X on your keyboard and it will give you an option to delete it. So in this way you can delete the different objects. uh, Again, to get the different basic objects, so we are here in the add menu. To get the add menu, there is a shortcut key called as shift plus A. If you press the shift plus A, it will give different options here. You can see the mesh, the curve, surface, medball, text, volume, and grease pencil. So there are too many options like camera, lights, and everything. So for time being, we are going to see the different objects in the mesh. So the mesh tab includes the different objects such as the plane, the cube, circle, U sphere, iron sphere, and cylinder, cone, torus. So now we are going to see the how to create a basic plane. So to create the plane, just go into the mesh, click on the plane. So now you can see the plane is being created in our grid. So as we have learned in the earlier sessions that how to scale it. So just press S and scale it. So it will be scale in uniform in all directions. So I have scaled this. Let's say I want to create now I want to create a different object. Then again press Shift and A and click on the cube, so I get the default cube over here. So I just grab the cube by pressing the G and move it in the X direction. So now, so we are just going to see what are different objects we are getting by default in the Blender. So then again Shift A, you can see the circle. So like you can see here, this is our nerve circle. So let's just I just move this. Okay, so you can see now. Yes. So this is our origin. So every object will be, when we call the object, it will be created at the origin. So if you shift the origin, the object will be created at the origin only. So now again, let's see what are different objects we will get from here. So now I have click on the UV sphere, and the UV sphere again I will scale it up a bit, and you can see this is our UV sphere, and just again grab the sphere and move away, and again mesh. It's an icosphere, so it's a different kinds of sphere, similarly like a UV sphere. So now again Shift A, and you can see the cylinder. So when you click on the cylinder will be appear. So these are the basic objects we will getting by default in the Blender. So it doesn't need to create it from the scratch. So we're just so now this is the cone again, and now like similarly, there are torus and grid, and the by default a monkey head is there. So this is the 3D object just for the information purpose. So this is the monkey face which this is by default they have available in the mesh objects. So now again we're going to see again shift, and so this arcpack archimesh and the bolt this is added by the add-ons. When you first download this, you don't see these buttons over here, so you need to go into the add-on and then install it in the Blender. So to do this, just uh, go into the edit tab and click on the preferences, And in the preferences you will be see here the add-ons button, and in the add-ons button you have different add-ons over here. So presently I have checked all the buttons, and so I can see the different options right now. So if you not able to see any option, just go into the add-on and click on the buttons. So now, so these are the basic objects which are available in the add mesh button. So I have mine archipack, the roof truss, and the different wall windows, and also in the mesh the cabinet shelves. So these are the basic shapes. So now in the next video we are going to see how to create some basic 3D models. So if you like our video and want to know the more about the Blender software, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.